Ladies and gentlemen, now the housework is done, I'm happy to say, welcome to the workshop. I'm Simon, representing the ITS expert team, and today we're going to be talking about the V-Tuf Mini, which is one of the products in the V-Tuf dust extraction lineup. Before we get cracking and plug it into some machines and see how good it is, there's just a little bit of nitty-gritty that we need to talk about, then we can get some power tools plugged in. Right, this is the nitty-gritty bit, people, okay? What this document here is talking about, which is fully available to read on the V-Tuf website, by the way, what it's talking about is the fact that dust in the woodworking industry is extremely dangerous, nasty, horrible stuff. It says, from April 2022, HSE inspectors will be visiting woodworking businesses across Great Britain to ensure duty holders know the risks associated with woodworking. That is where the V-Tuf range comes in. Right people, let's take a more close and detailed look at this machine. The main feature, or one of the main features, is the fact it's M-Class rated. The M-Class rating on dust extractors is the new minimum standard required for construction site use and workshop use and that kind of thing. The two features that help it get that M-Class rating are the extraction velocity monitor and the filter cleaner. The extraction velocity monitor tells you when the bag is full and tells you when the filter needs cleaning. If you did want to give the filter an extra deep clean, it can go straight in the dishwasher. The hose is extendable. It extends to about 3 meters. It is kink resistant and crush resistant as well, ideal for site use and workshop use. In the box, it comes with a host of different accessories: extension poles, sweep heads, carpet heads, various crevice and detailing tools, and it also comes with a power tool adapter, and it's this that we're going to take a look at now. Right, power tools then. This is where it gets exciting. I want to show you what this does when it's attached to a power tool. To do that, you need this that comes in the kit. That is the power tool adapter. It's tapered, so it fits most machines. That is a sander, it's got a small nozzle, and that fits over it just nicely. In turn, that fits on the dust extractor, and what that gives you is a dust extracted sander. Sanders are notoriously dusty and difficult to truly dust extract. This just deals with it. Watch this. You're going to need a big piece of timber like this one. Obviously everybody has a whacking great big piece of oak about this size knocking around the workshop. Here we go. Now I can sand on that all day and try and convince you that it's sucking all the dust up, right? But it doesn't really do it justice visually. Watch this though. That's dust out of the bandsaw being extracted through a sander at distance, which is well over what you'd ever need to do, but it still does it. That's pretty impressive. The other thing I want to show you is the drill. The drill does create dust. 10mm drill bit in the cordless drill. Let's have a quick look at how much dust and how many chips this thing makes without any dust extraction. Now, let's get this involved. This is the drilling shroud. You get one of these free when you buy the machine from ITS Tools. It's got a different size nozzle to the sander, but the same power tool adapter. In it goes, watch this. That can be used in timber, it can be used in plasterboard, masonry, anywhere where you can't afford to get any dust on any furnishings or carpets or anywhere like that. That is simple, but that is absolutely genius. So to sum up then, the V-Tuf M-Class Mini. I've been using it in the workshop for the last 2 or 3 weeks and it's been a real asset. It saved me a lot of time, a lot of hassle. It is small, compact, powerful, durable, well made, carefully considered. I highly rate it, so go check it out on ITS Tools.